Hey learners, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to find the middle node of a singly linked list using the slow and fast pointer technique. So let's get started. At first, let us consider the odd cases. So when we have odd number of nodes. So let us say we have 5 nodes here. Let us draw 5 nodes. So these are 4 nodes and this one is the fifth node. Yeah. So if these are the nodes and these are connected like this one is connected to null and this one is our head of the linked list. So what we want is we want the middle node. Now which one is the middle node? So this one is our middle node and we want this. So we'll take 2 pointers here. First as slow and second as fast. So what is slow and what is fast? So slow means that it will move only one step forward at a time, and fast means it will move 2 steps ahead. So let us see if this is our slow as well as this is our fast. So we'll first start with slow is head and fast is also as head. Okay, then we'll use the loop, of course. So first we'll move forward slow by 1 step. So slow becomes this. And we'll move fast by 2 steps. So fast becomes this. Now we'll do it again and again until the slow pointer points to the middle one. So again we do this and we got here slow and fast is we got it here. So it means that we need to stop here right now, stop the loop here. Why? Because we got the middle value. We got slow as the middle value. So that means when to stop, when fast dot next is equal to null. This is the condition that we have to take. Why? Because we know fast is this one, which is the last node, and last node is identified when there is one node which points to the null. Means the next to that node is null, that is the our last node. So that means this one is the condition that we will be using. Now this is the case when we have odd number of nodes. If we take even a number of nodes, then what happens? Let's see. So here let us take 4 nodes and we again take the slow and the fast pointer. So they will be started here. So slow, fast. Now they'll move ahead. Slow becomes this and fast becomes this. Now which one is the middle here? This is the very first question. So middle one is this. This is the second middle that we are taking. So we'll take the second middle in case of even number of nodes. So we want this one. Now let's see. S is this. Now what will be F? So this points to null and F will be here. So that means we have to stop S or stop the loop when F is null. So we got another condition, F is null. So we got two conditions here. First, fast dot next is null, and second, fast is null. So these are the two conditions. When achieved, the loop should stop and we have to return the value of s so that we can return the value of middle one. Now let's see if we have 2 nodes, then what happens? Will this follow or will there be any edge case. So in the case of two nodes, this is our S and this is our F, then it will move forward by 1. This will be our S, and this points to null, so F will be here. Thus we'll get this as our value. So again this follows. Now let's see if we have just one node, then what happens. So this points to null and this is our head. So S is here and F is here. Now we do not have to move forward, we just want that here only S is written. So what does that mean? If you remember the conditions, we said that first condition was fast is null and second was fast dot next is null, and here fast dot next is null. So that means that this condition became true and thus the loop will get over and will return this s. So again this follows. Now let's see if we do not have any node, then what happens. So in case of no node, then simply we have to return the head, or we can say if head is equal to the null pointer, because we do not have any node, so the it should return null. So if head is equal to null, then simply we can say return null, like this. So let us start coding. So here I've just written the code to display the linked list, and here we have 5 nodes. So this is the odd number of cases. And now let's make here node star find middle. Inside this we'll give the head, so node star head, and here we'll make 2 pointers. So node star slow is equal to head and node star fast is equal to head. Now we'll use the while loop, and our conditions were that fast is not equal to null pointer and fast dot next is not equal to null pointer. These were the conditions that we were having, and inside this we have to move ahead slow by 1 position and fast by 2. So fast is equals to fast dot next, and then we have to return slow. And the edge case we discussed was of no node. So we have to write here if head is equal to null pointer, then we simply have to return null. Let's call this here. So node star head is equal to first, node star middle is equal to find middle, and this will give head, and then we'll just print it. So middle node, like this we can print, and here the value of the middle one, which will we get from the function. So we can see we got middle node as 30. So here, yes, it is 30. And if I just remove this node, there are 4 nodes here, so it is even case. Now let's see, and we again got 30, which is the right answer. That's it for this video. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.